I'm gonna fill washer fluid in my car today. You need to refill the washer fluid when there's a warning message in your car which says low washer fluid. So let's check what's the warning sign. So first thing first, I'm gonna see what does it show. So here's the car. I'm gonna open it. Now if I turn it on, so when I turn it on, it says washer fluid low level, low refill. So that means I need to refill it. Now first thing first we're gonna do is to open the boot. For most of the cars, the boot is under the dash. It can be on a different place depending on your car. So here is the boot lever. If you see here, car, I'll turn off the ignition, and here is the latch. So if I am going to release, this is it. So you will hear a sound. It's just under the dash near the door. So when you have opened it, it shows this message, which is bonnet hazard, do not drive. So yeah, the confirmation that we have opened the bonnet and we should not drive. So now the bonnet or the hood is open. Now let's check. Now there is a latch here. This one yellow, it's in yellow color. So if you move it to right, it's gonna open it. Here we go. So now it's open and it looks like this from a distance. Yeah, this is how I open it. I move the latch to right like that, so it opens. Yeah, and if you see here, there's a clear sign. It's a blue cap which shows the sign. This is it. Yeah, so here we're gonna fill the washer fluid. First I'm gonna open it. It easily opens. Look here. Yeah, and here is my screen wash. Okay, I'll keep it here. This is Tesco's screen wash. It's ready to use. You don't have to mix anything here. So now I'm gonna refill it. I'll keep it here. I'm gonna open it, keep the lid like that, and I'll refill it. It doesn't go much higher. Here we go. I'm spilling it a bit. Yeah, let's refill it until it's filled. It's not. Oh, forgot. Yeah, I have spilled a bit, but yeah. So I'll wait for a while. Yeah, and then I'm gonna close the lid. Here I go. Take the cap off. Now we are done here. I'm gonna close it. That was a big light. And now let's see what does it say now. Here. If I turn on the ignition, warning light is still still there or it's gone. Yeah, it doesn't say anything. So yeah, we are pretty done here. So ready to roll now. Everything is done. See you later.